How to draw a rocket popsicle. To start drawing our rocket popsicle, we're going to draw a straight diagonal line on our paper. Then we're going to draw another diagonal line on the page. This one will be above the one that we drew before. Next, we're going to connect the two lines we just drew at the bottom by drawing a curved line. Looking great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Make sure to stick around until the end so we can color in our popsicles together. The next step will be to draw the top of the popsicle. We're going to draw a curved line on both sides of the popsicle. Then we're going to draw a small curved line at the top to connect the two sides. Now we're going to add some detailed lines to our popsicle. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, your popsicles are coming along great! Now finally, the last step of drawing our popsicle will be to draw the popsicle stick on the bottom right here. We're going to draw two straight lines coming down from the popsicle, and then we're going to draw a line in between to connect them at the bottom. This is how to draw a rocket popsicle. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like step-by-step drawing tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's go color in our popsicles together.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.